Here, let's stop for a minute.
Costs up to $5 per person, but a nutritious breakfast is around $1 a person. So one breakfast a week at home like this saves a family of 4 on average over $800 a year. Save money, live better.
Rock.
Welcome to the
Which one's that?
Right now, 379 couples are splitting up.
Rocky, Rocky, Rocky. Are you stuck?
She wants out of that thing.
13,000 people are streaming Pandora on a bus.
She's just making she can't see the TV.
Friends on Blue. 92 just realized they were in the exact same place. That's happening now. America's most dependable 3G network, bringing you the first wireless 4G network. Sprint, the Now Network. There's a time.
Whoa.
The time is now.
Rocky, Rocky, Rocky.
Stay thirsty, baby. Fox one day.
What are you doing?
It's the biggest shock in house history. Don't miss it. They announce it on Fox. Tomorrow, with just one episode to go before the finale. Trapped by fear with a natural unexpected has a few more up its sleeve. Principally called you. Viewer discretion advised. Tomorrow, 7 on Fox. Need help with your budget? Go with CenturyTel high-speed internet for only
Can you turn it around? That's why she's wanting to get out, because she can't see the TV.
versus cable. High speed, high savings. Is cable internet really worth $350 more a year?
Use the handles.
Why?
No, don't put her up against me. Okay.
Never have to spend $5 again. Now's the perfect time to get an amazing deal on a new Toyota. Visit your local Toyota dealer and get $1,000 cash back on new 2009 Toyota Camry models. That's $1,000 cash back on a new 09 Camry. Coming into Toyota's perfect timing event today. Toyota. Moving forward.
Let's compare this room store sofa to the #1 selling brand. Their frame is mostly cardboard. They use solid wood cross beams. Their springs are adequate. Ours are 8-way hand tied for maximum comfort and durability. For better quality and value, go to Room Store. We don't cut corners. We cut prices. Hi. And I have one of those. This one? Yeah.
Compared to breakfast at Hardee's, others don't look like much. Texas toast breakfast sandwiches with sausage, bacon, or ham. New at Hardee's. Need help with your budget? Go with CenturyTel high-speed internet for only $14.95 a month and save $350 a year versus cable. High speed, high savings. Is cable internet really worth $350 more a year? Open in only 2.5 days. Danny and Paula have just learned they'll be going to Atlantic City.
I brought in 2 very special advisors. 2 for you and 2 special advisors for you. Whilst we're in Atlantic City, they will be your eyes and ears.